Dumpster rental service in Sargent, Texas. Need a reliable dumpster rental service in Sargent, Texas? B&E Site Services is here to help with high-quality dumpster rentals for all types of projects. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, a construction job, or a big cleanup, we have the right dumpster for you. Our goal is to make waste removal fast and hassle-free. We provide flexible rental options to fit your schedule and budget. With competitive pricing and outstanding service, we make dumpster rentals easy. Our dumpsters are built to handle everything from household junk to construction debris. We can deliver the right solution for your needs. As a trusted local provider, we take pride in keeping Sargent clean and free of unwanted waste. Our friendly team is here to assist you every step of the way. Booking with us is simple. We'll drop off your dumpster at your location and pick it up when you're done, so you won't have to worry about delays. We understand that time is valuable, so we work efficiently to provide you with the best possible service. Our process is straightforward and designed for your convenience. Call us today at 979-616-6858 and let B&E Site Services provide you with the best dumpster rental service in Sargent, Texas.